Speed, velocity and acceleration. Speed is defined as the distance traveled, in a certain interval of time. The speed of an object is a scalar quantity. It describes how fast or slow an object is moving. The average speed of an object can be determined from the equation shown. Based on the equation, speed can also be defined as the rate of change of distance traveled with time. Speed is measured in meters per second. Other commonly used units are centimeters per second and kilometers per hour. If a car travels 100 meters in 5 seconds, its average speed is 20 meters per second. The velocity of an object is defined as the distance traveled in a given time interval, in a specified direction. As a vector quantity, the velocity should be stated with both the magnitude and the direction. The velocity of an object can be determined from the equation shown. Based on the equation, velocity can also be defined as the rate of change of displacement with time. Velocity is measured in meters per second, centimeters per second, and kilometers per hour. Two cars could be traveling with the same speed of 100 kilometers per hour on a motorway. However, by stating one car is traveling 100 km per hour west, and the other 100 km per hour east, do we realize they are traveling in opposite directions? Thus, the velocity gives a better indication of the motion. Acceleration is defined as the rate of change of velocity with time. Acceleration is thus a vector quantity. Acceleration, A, can be determined using the formula. U represents the initial velocity, V, the final velocity, and T represents time taken for the change. The acceleration of an object is measured in meters per second per second. Acceleration can also be measured in centimeters per second per second. The acceleration of an object is regarded as positive if its velocity increases. The acceleration of an object is regarded as negative if its velocity decreases. Negative acceleration is also known as deceleration. An object is said to move with uniform acceleration if the rate of change of its velocity is constant. An object is said to move with zero acceleration if its velocity remains constant. A car increases its velocity steadily from 10 meters per second to 20 meters per second in 5 seconds. The acceleration of the car can be determined from the equation shown. Thank you for taking time to watch this.